In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a dumbbell squat and push press. Now, this is a functional exercise that activates the quads, hamstrings, and also glutes, plus the anterior delts, okay? Now, the first thing you need is 2 dumbbells, all right? Now, when performing this exercise, what you're gonna do is go ahead and pick up the dumbbells, and you're gonna bring the dumbbells close and in front of your body, just like this, all right? So as you see, I don't have my elbows out, I have my elbows in, okay? Now when performing the exercise, you do not have to squat all the way down, okay? So you do not have to go all the way down to here and then push up, okay? You only need to do it all the way down to a 15-degree angle when it comes to the knee. So that means a slight squat, okay? So when performing it, I want it to look like this. Okay, I'm going to do it in front. Just like that. Now, if you want to make the exercise a lot harder, you can go all the way down into the squat, okay? But if you're going to go all the way down to the squat, make sure you're pushing the butt out, you're keeping the chest up, and you're putting it all the way in the heels, okay? Just like that. I'm going to do it from the front. And as you can see, while I'm doing this exercise, I have my feet about only hip distance apart, okay? Again. Either variation is totally up to you, okay? If you want to take the squat and do partial squats, or if you want to do a full squat. It's totally up to you. I would say base it mostly on the repetitions. So if you're doing like a high volume and you see your repetitions is like 20 or 30, probably you want to do that exercise with partial squats. Try and do it with full squats. It's going to be pretty difficult. As you can see, I just did 6 and I'm already breathing. So you can tell how difficult this exercise is. And then, if you want to do the full squats, probably if your rep range is around 12, 15, okay? But this is how you do a dumbbell squat and push press.